First-time homebuyer? Exciting, but also overwhelming. Before you sign anything, here are the top 3 tips every first-time homebuyer must know. Tip number 1, think long-term. Okay? Don't just fall in love with the design, with the architecture or the building. Ask yourself these important questions. Is it near your workplace? Is it accessible to MRT, LRT, or major roads? Is it close to schools, hospitals, and groceries? Is the area flood-free? Okay? So, ayun yung mga kailangan mo i-consider sa pagbili mo ng bahay. Your home is not just a place to live. It's your daily lifestyle. Imagine the traffic. Imagine emergencies. Imagine your kids going to school. Location affects your time, safety, and convenience, and even your property value. So, buy for your future, not just for today. Tip number 2, budget smartly. Second, budget smartly. Many first-time buyers only compute the down payment, but that's just the beginning. Okay? So, kailangan mo rin i-consider yung mga bagay like monthly amortization, bank interest rates, property taxes, home association dues, and maintenance costs. And syempre, yung move-in expenses. Ask yourself, can I comfortably afford this every month? Okay? Your home should give you peace, not financial stress. If the monthly scares you, it's probably not the right property. Third, work with trusted real estate agent. Buying your first home is emotional. A trusted real estate agent keeps it logical. Okay? Why this matters? It helps you understand the process. Okay? Explains the loan options like bank, in-house, and pag-ibig. Checks documents and legality. Negotiates better terms. Protects you from costly mistakes. Okay? A good agent doesn't sell. They protect your investment. So buying your first home is one of the biggest decisions of your life. Think long term, budget wisely, and work with the right people. If you found this video helpful, save this video and share it with someone planning to buy their first home. Thank you.